Hare Krishna. Is it okay? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So first of all, my sincere thanks.
Echo. Huh? Echo.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Is it okay? Hare Krishna. Is it okay? So sincere thanks to Mahesh Prabhu and Subhashini Mataji and family for every year inviting Govardhan Maharaj so that along with Govardhan Maharaj we are also able to come. Simply when Krishna lifted the Govardhan, the Brajavasis accompanied. Brajavasis were not invited there separately. Krishna was invited and then the Brajavasis followed. Similarly, here Govardhan, Giri Govardhan and Damodar have come here, and because of their mercy we are here. So let us utilize our time in this world effectively. There is a lot of things we want to cover today. Tomorrow is anyway Sunday, so if it goes little longer, please tolerate because we started late. Sorry about it. But we'll try to cover in time. So very quickly, this Kartik month, there will be, for some devotees, there will be some information which already they would have been hearing couple of times, those who are attending Kartik festivals. But it is good to recap because we have new devotees also today. So, Kartik month, there is a dialogue between Krishna and Satyabhama. Glories of Kartik month, of this Kartik. In fact, I think the South Indian Kartik month is still continuing or is the last day today? It is continuing. Okay, so we are not late or behind. One Kartik is over, the second one is continuing. So the Padma Puran tells us, actually those who have the WhatsApp, I have forwarded the PPT there because some shlokas will be coming. It will be good if everybody recites there. We will try to cover as much as possible given the time. So dialogue between Krishna and Satyabhama in Padma Puran. Please repeat. The sins accumulated. The sins accumulated by various kalpas vanish in an instant when a lamp is offered during Kartik. It is much more than the Ashwamedh Yajna. Dhruva Maharaj obtained vision of Lord Hari in this month. If one offers diyas to Lord Krishna, it brings wealth, abundance, prosperity, progeny, and wisdom. Further in Skand Puran, the dialogue between Brahma and Naradji, please repeat. In this month, the fruits of Rajasuya and Ashwamedh are attainable just by reviving another Vaishnava's lamp. One even mouse attained a human form because what happened is the mouse was there in the temple and Damodar was there, and by chance the tail of the mouse caught fire and the mouse was very worried and it ran around the deity, and therefore that was the parikrama done by the rat and he offered instead of lamp his own body and he went back to Godhead. This is the beauty of Kartik month. Very briefly, we will not go in detail. In this month, can you all tell which are the various festivals which come in Kartik? Tulsi Vivah ki jai. Okay. Diwali.
रासलीला
Huh?
रासलीला होती है ना
Gopashtami.
नरक चतुर्दशी चतुर्दशी
Bahula Ashtami. Sorry, Mataji, you were saying something.
रासलीला also happens.
Ras Leela, yes. Sharad Purnima. Govardhan. Fantastic. Radha Kund appearance. Most of them everybody knows. Gopashtami, everybody knows what happened on Gopashtami. Krishna became 6 years old, which is called Pauganda. And he was promoted from herding the calves to cows. Bahula Ashtami, everybody knows. There was a cow named Bahula, and the tiger wanted to eat Bahula. And Lord Krishna intervened, and therefore she was saved. And same day, Radha could also appear. There is one more we missed. Yes, Damodar Leela, Govardhan Leela, Bhai Dooj, Bhishma Panchak. What is Bhishma Panchak?
The last 5 days of Kartik month.
Yes, the last 5 days of Kartik. And what happened during those 5 days?
Pitama Bhishma was on the
Yes, these last 5 days Bhishma Pitama fasted unto leaving his body. And as a austerity measure, devotees also fast during these last 5 days. The 5th day he left his body. He had the Ichha Mrityu Vardhan. So he did not leave the body. He waited for Krishna. In fact, in Bhishma Stuti, more than I think 20 times, only one thing is repeated, that he meditated on Krishna. Every verse is only that. Because like us in Grahastha Ashram, we are doing so many things. We are not able to pinpointedly only focus on Krishna 100%. We can offer our Hari Bol Prabhu. The bottles are balancing in it. So, similarly, Bhishma Pitama was engaged in so many activities. But in the end, he said, enough is enough, now only 100%. So, these are the festivals. Let's go to. Before I go here, okay, in this universe, what all are we looking for, Hare Krishna? What all do? Prabhu, you come this side. Come here. So in this world, when we come, till the time we go, what are we looking for? Let's have a 2-minute discussion.
pleasure.
Pleasure. What else?
Fame.
Yes?
Fame.
Fame. Fantastic. What else? Hare Krishna.
Satisfaction.
Huh? Satisfaction. Yes. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti. No. What is that? ददामि बुद्धि एगम तम एन नहीं क्या है वो no not that one I am they are fully satisfied that is what okay it will come so we are looking for that what else are we looking for wealth we are looking for please don't ignore this important point wealth is at the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu. If we want to invite only Lakshmi Maiya, that was who? Ravan. Ravan only invited Lakshmi Maiya. I didn't want Vishnu ji. But those who invite Vishnu ji, Lakshmi Maiya is buy one get one free. That's how it works. So therefore, that is important. If we don't have Lakshmi, we cannot have such nice arrangement. Peacefully we are sitting. I don't know what nice. Hey, Harival. Oh, she wants a Samsung. Okay, so all these things are required. So in Bhagavad Gita, it is explained particular pastime she wants. So in Bhagavad Gita, the shloka is given how to achieve all these things together. Please repeat after me. Yatra Yogeshwaro Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhute Dhruvani tirmama. Yat. Now let's see. See how Sanskrit is simple. We are being told from childhood this is mythology. Please object vehemently. Anybody says this is mythology. Our Sanatan Dharma has maximum number of proofs available. NASA knows and says that there is a Setu is there. Okay? So, Yatra. So, from childhood we are taught Sanskrit is very difficult. Let us see how difficult it is. Yatra Yogeshwara. Yatra means? Jahan. Yogeshwara Krishna. Yatra? Jahan. Partha Dhanurdhara. So, who are two required in our life? Hey Krishna and but what kind of Arjun? Dhanurdhara, not the Bhikwala. Because the Bhikwala was saying, I want to go. Krishna should have told him, just like Shukdev Goswami was, he told Parikshit Maharaj that you should do Nam Sankirtan Yajna. Sit here and relax. No. So where there is Krishna and there is a fighter Arjun, meaning what? If in our lives Krishna is there, all activities are dedicated to Krishna, whether be it making prasadam, making jhadu, going to school, working in office, doing homework, whatever, Yatra Yogeshwara, whatever we do, if we keep connected to Krishna, surrender it to him, Yatra Yogeshwara, that's how to keep him in the center. Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, where these two are there, we are Dhanurdhara Partha. Every day in office, mind will tell, Are aaram se baitho, aaj to office chutti pe, because boss is not there only. In office, I will tell you one secret. Those who are working hard, for them, life is not hard in the office. Those who are relaxing in the office, the life is very hard in the office for them. May not be today, but wait. See, Krishna has given us so many things free of charge. At least we have to pay back something. So where there is Krishna and where there is Partha Dhanurdhara, there what happens? Tatra. Tatra means? There. Tatra. Shri. What is Shri? Lakshmi, the opulence. There is opulence. Tatra Shri. Vijayo.
Victory.
Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir. Exceptional power. Dhruva means certainly. Dhruvatara, you know? He is the certain one. He doesn't vanish anytime. Because Mahavishnu stays there. Dhruva Maharaj stays there. Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir. Dhruva Nitir. What is Niti? Morality. If Krishna is there and the fighter Arjun is there, then we will have Shri, Vijayo, Bhutir and Niti. 4 things. Niti is not what we feel is Niti. Niti is what Krishna defines. In Mahabharata, the guys were killed in the same way that they plotted against Pandavas. That became Niti. Anybody says it is Adharma? So this is the beauty. If we want these 4 things, wealth, victory, exceptional power, morality, we have to keep Krishna in the center, connect all activities with him, and be a fighter, don't be lethargic. Krishna expands time for devotees. You would see senior devotees. They will do so much work in office also. They are doing so much in devotional service also. How they are getting time? I am not able to get that time. Krishna, because he is Aham Kalosmi. He expands time. So this is... Now today we are celebrating today. Giri Govardhan Maharaj ki Jai. Wonderful. Let us first of all chant glories of our salutations to Govardhan Maharaj. What I have said, there is one correction in that, but we can, while speaking, we can do it. Please repeat. Govardhanam dharam vande. Govardhanam dharam vande. Gopalam goparupinam. Gopalam goparupinam. Gokulotsav. Gokulotsav. Meishanam. Meishanam. Govindam gopika priyam. Govindam gopika priyam. Prabhu, can you take this one and keep near the speaker? Just see that it is. Again we can see here, even though it's in Sanskrit, but each word expresses Sanskrit is a very expressive language. Govardhanam dharam vande. What is the meaning? हाँ, मैं उन्हें नमन करता हूँ. गोवर्धनम धारम, जिन्होंने गोवर्धन को धारण किया. I pay my obeisances. वंदे गोपालम गोप रूपिणम. गोप कौन होते? गोपालम कौन है जी? जो काउस का टेक केयर करते हैं, वो जो गोपाल हैं. और गोप किसे कहते हैं? गोप ग्वाल, जो टेंड करते हैं काउस को. जिन्होंने काउस को टेंड करने, उनको लेके जाने के लिए, उनका सम्मान करने के लिए, जिन्होंने गोप रूपी धारण किया. ही इज द गोप एंड दैट इज वाई गोपी. गोप वो हैं जो काउस, गो को टेंड करते हैं, जो गोप ग्वाले हैं. और जो वहाँ पे जो स्त्रियां हैं वो हुई गोपी. सो गोवर्धनम धारणम वंदे गोपालम गोप रूपिणम. गोकुलोत्सव में ईशा नाम. गोकुल क्या है जी? जगह, उत्सव, फेस्टिवल. जहाँ पे फेस्टिवल रूपी, उत्सव रूपी भगवान गोकुल में रहते हैं. जहाँ भगवान रहते हैं नित्योत्सव में. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज सेलिब्रेट, वहाँ रोज सेलिब्रेशन है. तो जहाँ पे गोकुलोत्सव में ईशा नाम, उस गोकुल में और ब्रह्मांड में के जो ईश हैं, जो भगवान है, गोविंदम गोपिका प्रियम. क्या अर्थ हुआ जी? गोविंदम प्रिय हैं. अब गोविंद नाम किसने दिया जी? जो पहली बार आए उनमें से अगर कोई ट्राई करना चाहेंगे, गोविंद नाम कहां से आया? गोविंद नाम जो है वो इंद्र ने दिया है. गोवर्धन लीला के बाद में जब उसका घमंड भगवान ने तोड़ दिया, तब इंद्र जो है वो साथ में आया किसके? सुरभि माता के. और भगवान को स्नान करवाया. और उसके बाद में तब भगवान का ये नाम, इंद्र ने कहा कि महाराज आपने मेरे पे कृपा करी है, इसलिए आपका नाम आज से गोविंद पड़ेगा. तो गोविंदम गोपिका प्रियम. ओके. गोवर्धन जी का प्राकट्य कैसे हुआ? कहाँ से आ गए वो? यानी देखिए जी, कोई क्लास नहीं है. बोधयंता परस्परम.
गोलोक का वृंदावन से
है जी.
गोलोक का वृंदावन से.
हाँ, गोलोक से आए. और क्यों आए? हाँ, राधा रानी said, राधा रानी said, I will not come down with you unless and until यमुना एंड गोवर्धन शुड बी देयर. अदरवाइज आप अकेले ही चले जाओ. देखिए, इस संसार में नो टू लिविंग एंटिटीज हैव एग्जैक्ट सेम थॉट्स. ये कैसे भगवान सबको एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ मिरेकल. हस्बैंड वाइफ के थॉट्स कैसे एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं भगवान ही जानता है. बच्चों के और पिताजी के थॉट्स भगवान कैसे एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं भगवान ही जानता है. बच्चों के और माता जी के कैसे एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं भगवान ही जानता है. देखिए वो क्या है ना, एक बार एक सेठ जी थे. तो सेठ जी के पास बहुत धन था. तो सेठ जी प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं, हे भगवान मेरे घर में चोरी मत करवाना. बगल में ही रात के 12 बजे एक चोर कोठरी में उनके घर के कोठी के बगल में बैठा हुआ है. वो भगवान से प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं, हे भगवान आज सेठ जी को अच्छे से सुलाना जिससे मैं चोरी कर सकूं. अब भगवान किसकी सुने? एक बार सीता जी ने राम जी को बोला, ये राम जी इतना बढ़िया अयोध्या है, सब कुछ, लंका तो फीकी है, यहाँ तो रत्न जड़ित हैं, वो तो खाली सोने की थी, यहाँ तो मणियां जड़ित हैं, लेकिन कुछ मकान पुराने हैं, आप कृपा करिए इनको भी नया कर दीजिए. राम जी ने कहा नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा. सीता मैया ने कहा अरे कमाल कर रहे हैं आप, ऐसा क्यों? डोंट स्टैंड प्लीज, यू कैन कम. खड़े रहेंगे तो लगता है कि जगह की कमी हो रही है, जगह बहुत है और आगे आ सकते हैं. तो सीता मैया ने कहा क्यों, आप सारे नए करा दो ना। उन्होंने कहा मैं नए तो सारे करा दूंगा, लेकिन जो प्लम्बर्स हैं, कारपेंटर्स हैं, उनकी रोजी रोटी कैसे चलेगी। इसके लिए भगवान ने सृष्टि ऐसे बनाई है। अगर सभी कुछ ठीक होगा तो वो तो बेचारे भूखे मर जाएंगे। I know, I have read in some of the past times, there are saints who don't eat at all. They are only taking prasad directly from sunlight. So somebody asked them, you can teach this to others. Life will be so peaceful. He said, that is okay, but what will happen to farmers? वो तो बेचारा करेगा क्या? Because some activity has to happen. हाँ प्रभु जी, थोड़ा सा. So, please repeat after me. Radha Rani said, Yatra Vrindavan Nasti,
यत्र वृंदावन नास्ति,
Yatra no Yamuna Nadi,
यत्र यो यमुना नदी,
Yatra Govardhan Nasti,
यत्र गोवर्धन नास्ति,
Tatra Mena Manah Sukham.
तत्र मे नमः सुखम्।
जहाँ वृंदावन नास्ति, जहाँ पे वृंदावन नहीं है। यत्र नो न यमुना नदी, जहाँ पे यत्र गोवर्धन नास्ति, तत्र में न मनः सुखम। मतलब भले ही आप नहीं हो चलेगा, ये मुझे चाहिए। ये ऐसा है भगवान। इससे पता पड़ता है कि एक बार राधा रानी ने आपको पसंद कर लिया तो फिर नहीं छोड़ती वो भगवान को ही बोल देंगे आपको जाना है, जाओ, मुझे ये वक्त चाहिए। ये है ना राधा रानी की कृपा। क्यों, राधा रानी और कृष्ण सेम है, खाली अपना रस लेने के लिए दो किए हुए हैं, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है दोनों में। तो जब भगवान ने कहा ठीक है भाई, नीचे भेज दिए गए। अब वहां पे गिरिराज कहाँ पे उनका जन्म हुआ जी? नहीं, वाराणसी नहीं प्रभु, हिमालय में द्रोणाचल। द्रोणाचल के बेटे बने। द्रोणाचल इज अ बिग माउंटेन रेंज। उनके बेटे बने हिमालयस में गिरिराज जी। और ये बात है शायद मेरे ख्याल में सतयुग की। उस वक्त उनकी ऊंचाई इतनी थी कि अगर ऊपर चले जाओ तो स्नोफॉल है। ही वॉज सो टॉल। तो एक दिन पुलस्त ऋषि द्रोणाचल के घर पे आए। पुलस्त ऋषि कौन है जी? रावण के दादा। नाना? नहीं, दादा है मेरे ख्याल में। आइडिया दादा। उनके दो बेटे थे, उनमें से एक का बेटा ये है। तो पुलस्त मुनि घूम रहे थे हिमालय में। उन्होंने कहा तो बहुत बढ़िया, आनंद आ गया यहाँ तो। और वो वाराणसी के रहने वाले थे, शिव जी के भक्त। उन्होंने मन में सोचा कि वाराणसी में तो ऐसे इतने बढ़िया सुंदर पर्वत है नहीं, तो द्रोणाचल के पास गए। जैसे विश्वामित्र जी गए थे दशरथ जी के पास, क्या कहने कि मुझे राम लक्ष्मण दे दीजिए, ये मारेंगे वन में, मेरे को बहुत परेशान हो रहा है। उन्होंने कहा मेरे को आनंद आ जाएगा, पर्वत में बैठ के मैं भगवान शिव की आराधना करूंगा, आप मेरे को। रावण भी तो शिव जी का भक्ति था। तो उन्होंने, अब इतने बड़े महात्मा अगर कह रहे हैं तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है भाई, आप लेके जाइए। तो साथ में चल दिए गिरिराज जी पुलस्त ऋषि के साथ साथ, दोनों उड़ते हुए जा रहे हैं। अब जब वो ब्रज के, हाँ जी, oh I'm sorry I didn't ask. Okay. English also. How many can speak Hindi here? Anybody who cannot speak Hindi? No Hindi. Okay. I will do English. चलेगा? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Prabhu. I think Prabhu you need association of Vasant Prabhu. Vasant Prabhu, he had zero Hindi. Now he can give class in Hindi. Okay, no, we will take English. No problem, Prabhu. At least English everybody understands. Anybody who, ऐसा कोई जना है जिसको English नहीं आती? सबको आती है. बढ़िया. So what happened? When Giriraj ji was traveling by the Braj, he looked down and he remembered, Radha Rani, I have to associate with Radha Rani, I am her devotee. But he had made a condition beforehand because he knew. And the condition was, थोड़ा सा उधर कर लो माता जी. हाँ. आगे एक काम करिए, आप इधर आ जाइए, इनको उधर कर दीजिए. सॉरी बच्चा. नहीं, वो थॉट्स समटाइम्स दे डिसअपीयर. है अच्युता प्रियम. Okay. So Giriraj had made one arrangement with Pulast Rishi that in case you put me down, I will not go any further. I will be stationed there. So when Giriraj was passing and Pulast Rishi was passing by the Braj, he suddenly saw this is the place I have to do my pastime. So immediately Pulast Rishi felt like call of nature. He wanted to go to toilet. So he reminded him, see, don't put me down. He said, no, I am. Imagine if Ravan had so much of power, his grandfather, how much power he would have. So he said, no, don't worry, I will lift you again. So he went for call of nature. And again when he tried, he could not lift. Pulas Rishi understood. He is also a sage. He said, I curse you. Every year, equivalent to the size of the mustard, you will decrease. So when Krishna did the pastime of Govardhan at that time, he was 2 miles high. Today, as per some survey, highest point I think is 80 feet. But Giriraj took it as a mercy. Because he was so high, he said Krishna cannot do pastimes in the ice, in the snowfall with Radharani. It should be nice temperature, nice vanaspati, everything should be very nice. So it's good that I am going down. So like this, he stayed there. Now what happens as the time is passing by? Treta Yuga comes. And in Treta Yuga, who appeared? Ram, Lord Ram. And what did he make with the help of Hanumanji? Ram Setu. So everybody was bringing, and contract was given to Hanumanji, get the stones from Himalaya. आजकल ऐसी है ना, contract पे देते हैं घर बनाना है. So he was bringing. When he was bringing, he saw nice Giriraj. And Giriraj said to Hanumanji, hello, I am here, I want to help. Hanumanji was very happy. This is the indication when one devotee meets other devotee. See, only in devotional service when 2 devotees meet, the either envy will be absent or it will be minimum. This is not true in relationships. At least any family you take, there will be something. Uska beta ne ye kiya. Someday will say that, अपने बच्चे को बोलेंगे, अरे बेटा तूने भाई के लड़के को देखा, वो IIT बन गया, तूने क्या किया, तू तो कुछ नहीं बना. तो ऐसे बच्चों के लिए एक आंसर है. बच्चे को कहना चाहिए, पिताजी खाली बेटों को एक मत कंपेयर करो, उनके फादर्स को भी कंपेयर करो, उनकी मदर्स को भी कंपेयर करो, उनके ग्रैंडफादर को भी कंपेयर करो, ग्रैंडमदर को भी कंपेयर करो, तब पता पड़ेगा ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. So never blame anybody. The biggest competition is with whom? Very difficult to satisfy ourselves. Okay. So Hanumanji became very happy and he lifted. And after lifting, he was coolly going. Suddenly, there was no mobile, but he got the news. Setu is complete. He told Giriraj, भाई अब क्या करें? There is no place for you. The bridge is over. Giriraj was very sad. So he said, no, this is not correct. Hanumanji said, let me check with Lord Ram. थोड़ा आप लोग आगे आ जाइए. Some more devotees of आप. It's okay. आगे आ जाइए माता जी. It's okay. There's a lot of space. You can come up till here. No problem. आ जाइए. So Lord Ram told Hanumanji, tell Giriraj that in the Dwapar Yuga when I will come, you will be the most glorious mountain on earth. I will personally lift you. And that is what happened in Dwapar Yuga. Giriraj Dharan ki. So like this. Let us proceed. Now what happened, as everybody knows, so we will dwell little bit in the shlokas. Everybody knows the katha. But when the shloka is recited, to keep away shloka, to keep away shoka, chant shloka. Best is to know the meaning and chant, but to start with, even if meaning is not there, these are transcendental vibrations. But meaning, if it is known, then it is much more effective. आप लोग please थोड़ा और आगे आ जाइए. I think some more devotees have come in. Please आगे आ जाइए. It's okay. Come Mataji, come in the front. Please shift forward. आगे आ जाइए. Yes, very good. So you see, even in the management also, if any activity is done, what is the first thing they start asking? If anybody is doing something, then the seniors will ask some questions. भाई क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो, किस लिए कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, why are you doing it, all these things. So when Nand Maharaj was preparing for the Indra puja, that time Krishna reached him and he said, please repeat, Kathyatam me pitah koyam sambramo va upagatah kim phalam kasya vodeshah kenava sadhyate makah. See, now if you break it into pieces, you will see that it is not difficult. Kathyatam me pita, kathya, कथा करिए, आप बताइए. मैं पिताजी आप बताइए. कोयम संभ्रमो व उपागता. संभ्रमो मीन्स एक्टिविटी. आप कौन सी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं? किम फलम, इसके लिए क्या फल होगा जो आप कर रहे हैं भाई. See, he would have never even thought about these questions, Nand Maharaj. Now he is probing. This is the lesson which we learn, our significance of Govardhan Maharaj Katha. First lesson is, don't just accept things if you are not convinced. Even in Shastras, there is Shastric evidence is given to prove what they are saying. There is proof that if you meditate on Krishna, he appears. There is proof. Maybe we will take that shloka also. All proofs are given. Kim phalam kuddeshya. उद्देश्य, फल क्या मिलेगा और इसका उद्देश्य क्या है. केन वा साध्यते मखः. आप ये जो मखा, ये जो आप कर रहे हैं, केन वा, आप किस मीन्स से करेंगे. देन कृष्णा सेड, तो नंद बाबा सेड, अरे भाई आप क्या बोल रहे हो, ये तो हम सालों से करते आ रहे हैं. दैट इज वाई दे रिक्वेस्ट चेंज मैनेजमेंट. इट्स ओके माताजी, यू कैन सिट एट द बैक, नो इश्यूज. Be peaceful. So Krishna said, अरे भाई आप ये जो काम कर रहे हो, तो नंद बाबा said, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये तो जन्मों से चला आ रहा है परंपरा. Same thing happens in management, changes management, because आदत पड़ जाती है, क्योंकि कर रहे हैं तो करते रहो, then suddenly change management. So Krishna said, okay Nand Maharaj, you are saying that this is continuing, but tell me, is everything not karma based? जैसे कर्म करेगा वैसे फल देगा भगवान, तो आप अच्छे कर्म करो ना, इसमें इसकी पूजा करने की जरूरत है. सेकेंड ही सेड रेन क्लाउड्स का तो नेचर है. इट इज द नेचर ऑफ द क्लाउड्स टू गिव रेन. So Nand Maharaj said, how do you know this? He said, look in the seaside, in the ocean. There is no Indra Puja, but rain is happening there also. So why are you doing this? Please tell me one good reason. Today abhi आरती में time है. What is the time now? 9 o'clock we will do आरती. 9:30. Let's do bidding. 9:31, 9:32. No, 9 o'clock we will close. 9 o'clock we will start. We have 2 आरतीस. हो जाएगा. क्या हुआ? ऑक्शन कर रहा था मैं तो 9:30, 9:45. Okay. So he said जो मेरा घर है अपना वो तो जंगल में है. It is in the yes. Anything? Okay. It is in the middle of the forest and in the middle of the mountains. And mountain has the forest. Mountain has the river. Everything is originating from there. So why not worship Govardhan? And then after that, what happens? Everybody agrees. And Krishna declared, this is given in Bhagavatam. 9 o'clock we will start Aarti. Huh?
Host is requesting.
Host is the हाँ प्रभु 9 o'clock. Sorry प्रभु. We will do fast आरती. We will compensate 15 minutes. Any challenge प्रभु जी? Okay. See, this is unfortunate part of the host. They cannot say no till I have the mic. Sorry, Prabhu, just lighter moments. So he said, in Bhagavatam it is given, Govardhan is non-different from Krishna. Govardhan became Krishna. And Krishna said in the form, he became huge. And some Gopgwal are saying, isko kahin dekha hai? Not knowing that he himself has become so big. And then he had all the prasad and he ate. And you know, Aniyor, and those who have gone to Mukharvind, they can see the. And then Krishna paid obeisances to himself in the form of the mountain. And here, Shri Shukuvacha.
Shri Shukavacha.
Can you give me the watch so that I can try to finish by 9? Just कोई सा भी दे दो मेरे को. Thank you माता जी. Because this one is okay fine. हो गया. Shri Shukuvacha.
Shri Shukavacha.
Ittam Bhagavata Gyapta.
Ittam Bhagavata Gyapta.
Megha Nirmukta Bandhana.
Megha Nirmukta Bandhana.
Nand Gokul.
Nanda Gokul.
माँ सार है.
माँ सार है.
पीड़या.
पीड़या.
सुरोजसा.
सुरोजसा.
Megha Nirmukta Bandhan. The clouds which do the destruction of the universe, they are kept in bandhan. They are not released. They are tied up by the instructions. He did. 9 o'clock. Okay, should I wind up?
But both can.
No, we'll finish this, Mataji. Let's set the time. It is 8:33. We can wind up early, no problem. Because once we break this. No, is there a reason? I'm also asking, like Krishna asked. Huh? Request Gayatri Mataji join Bhagavatam. Aarti is similar to Bhagavatam. This information is only given in Bhagavatam. It is not taught in the school. I also didn't know till Krishna arranged Bhagavatam. Let us make use of the time. Okay. So Indra released he untied the clouds. He said, go and attack. And Bhagavatam tells us that one drop was equal to one column of the entire villa. That was the size. But Bhagavatam tells us also that forget the cow. Cow's daughter calf. Calf seeing. What is it called? Thorn. The tip of the thorn also could not horn. The horn of the calf that tip also Indra could not become wet. Because before it could drop, Krishna dried it up. Listen now what Krishna says. This is the most important lesson for us. Why did Krishna do this? Any guesses? Please repeat. Tasman charanam goshtam
Tasman Goshtam
mannatam mat parigraham
Natam Mat Parikram
gopaye
Gopraye
swatma yogena
Atma Yogena
soyam me vrata ahitah.
Oyam Me Vrata Ahita
Tasman charanam. They have come to my shelter. हाँ बोलिए क्या हो गया? It's okay. Okay, what is the time? Okay, fine. No, but 8:45 Prabhu said it's still 8 minutes to go. Okay, 8 minutes good enough. No, we'll wind it up, no worries. So, he said they have come in my shelter and mat parigraham. Parigraham means they are my family. This is the most important lesson. Of course, busting of the ego of the Indra is one thing. But he said, this is my family. How can my family suffer from anything? So there are two things here. One, busting of the ego and giving shelter to the devotees. And he said, they are my family. Let us go to the end of it, which, Prabhu, 1 minute. Very good question. Krishna has innumerable energies. One of the energy was then deputed before it could come on inside the Govardhan. Of course, there were rains coming here, there, but under the Govardhan, before it could anything could come, it was completely dried up because of the separate energy of Krishna. Now, let us quickly go to the end of it, because rest of the katha, most of the devotees know. What happened is, Krishna said one thing which I would like to just repeat, and that's the last verse we will take. Please repeat. Mam Aishwarya
Mam Aishwarya
Madan Dando
Madan Dando
Dandapanim na Pashyati. जो लोग ऐश्वर्य में, those who are blinded by the opulence, they do not pashyati dandapanim, they do not see the rod of punishment which I have and I am standing next to them. They do not see. Those who have gone mad because of the opulence, they do not see Krishna standing next to them with dandapani. Tam brashyami, what they do is Yasya ichham anugraham. Tam brahmashmi sampadhyo. I take all their opulence back when Yasya ichhami anugraham. If I am merciful to them, I take back all their opulence. So the question is, why was Krishna merciful to Indra? Why he should say, if I am merciful, I will remove the unwanted opulence? Why he is only removing on those he wants to do mercy? He should remove on everybody, no? Is he being partial? You get the point or no? Here it says, I will remove the unwanted opulence which is causing Madanda if I am merciful to him. But why not merciful to everybody? So, but what was about Indra? Indra was fighting and trying to kill the Brajavasis. But you all are right. He was merciful to Indra. There are three situations. One, if we are not inclined to Krishna consciousness, then the law of karma will take effect. Prabhu, the law of karma will take effect. Sorry. No matter what happens, the law of karma will take effect if I am opulent and I am trying to be very, I become crazy. That is what will happen. That is, most of the people are like that. But if those who are inclined to Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, then he uses the rod of punishment to bring them back. That is his mercy. And third, those who are like Parikshit Maharaj, no need of anything. So what is the proof that Indra was like this? Number one, when Prithu Maharaj, he was stealing the horse, he came with Vishnu ji and begged forgiveness. He accepted Lord Vishnu's words. When Halahal came out, at that time, he went with Lord Vishnu to Lord Shiva to beg, please drink poison. 2. And lastly, when Vratrasur was getting killed, when he killed Vratrasur, he goes into the ocean and sits there in the lake. He meditated on Lord Vishnu. And therefore his sins were removed. And therefore he was very inclined for devotional service, and therefore Krishna decided to correct him, rather than he would have left him to his karma. He would have had a heart attack and finish. But no, he himself. Granth Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Chaliye ji. Sorry about this thing, but let's do Govardhan Arti. Who is going to play Mridang? You will play Prabhu Mridang? Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is, we will sing Govardhan Arti. Please chant after me. And in batches of 10-15 devotees can go from here, do parikrama and come out here. After everybody has come back here, we will do Damodar Ashtakam. And that will conclude the